Hey guys, what's up? I'm your cool tech guy, and today I'm going to be going over 9 ways to make your iPhone more functional and effective. Now, number 1 I have is to organize your widgets. Now, I'm going to show you the old way first, and this is it. Basically, you're just throwing all of your widgets on your plain old home screen or just any other screen you have. Literally, it just looks clunky to me. It just doesn't really work out. There's a better way to do this and to make it more functional for you and to get basically the same thing, just more clean. This literally just 10 seconds of your life wasted. Alright, this is the better way. So if you just slide to the right, which just takes you to the left, ironic, you just hit the plus sign in the corner and you have to choose all of the widgets that you normally have, all of your apps, all of that fun stuff. I normally, on the left screen, I normally just use the middle or the big size widget because why not? It just shows you more information that you probably need to know or you just like to know. You can also add games, like I have Asphalt 8. It's a good game, it's just old and all that fun stuff. You can add your clock, you can add notes, you can add Siri suggestions, smart stack, batteries, whatever you want. It's totally up to you. Also, you can click on the widget and it'll take you directly to that app, so it's an easy way to get around and just effective. The next thing I have for you guys is a faster way to search things up. I know many of you guys use Google, DuckDuckGo, maybe Bing. So if you just pull down from the center of your screen, you can literally just type into that top bar. I searched up NBA and it pulls up everything that's searched up for NBA on Google. The next thing I have is the thing that no one ever uses. I think it's pretty much hated ever. It's bookmarks. Now, this is in Safari. So once you click Safari, just click out of that tab and your bookmarks will pop up. What you do to set a bookmark is just hold down on that little book symbol and eventually you'll do that. So you can just rename it. You can change the website even. Really, it's just a better way to search things up. Maybe you go to a certain website a lot. Maybe you go to your work website. Maybe you go to your school website. Maybe you need to check an email. You can even do Gmail if you don't have that app. It's just really fast and it just helps out a lot if you don't want to keep typing over and over and over again. Next thing I have for you guys is a simple way to switch topics fast. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go into your settings, control center, and from that you're going to see your included controls and more controls. More controls are the controls you haven't added yet, and obviously vice versa. So they pop down in your menu if you pull down from the corner, your right hand corner of your screen. They're just really easy to move around, and let's say you need to set an alarm. Maybe you need to magnify something. Maybe if you're driving, you don't want to mess around on your phone. You can easily do that, and it's a quick way to accomplish something. Even if it's a small task, it has so many buttons you can add. I mean, you could get a little bit cluttered there, but if it helps you out, it helps you out. Like I can do a stopwatch, like if I'm a coach or something. Maybe I'm helping my friend out. It just helps out. Next thing I have for you guys is an easier way to light mode and dark mode on your phone. Now, an easy way to do that is just go into your settings, search up appearance or light mode or dark mode, one of those things. Now, what I like to do is do automatic. So let's say if you're in the middle of the night, you don't want your phone like blaring like right in your face, I'd probably recommend doing dark mode. And the same goes for in the day. Maybe you want to do light mode. It's a simple way to do that and create a custom schedule. Another thing that I have will help you out is an app called Shortcuts. Now this is made by Apple, so you know it's safe. Many phones have this pre-installed, but you can always get it back in the App Store by simply searching up Shortcuts. Now this is an easy way to set up automatic things, like maybe recording audio or Shazamming a song. So you can easily pair this with Siri, which honestly helps it out a bunch. If you use Siri, if you don't, it's also easy to use. Like maybe you want to turn off your Wi-Fi when you leave the house to turn on cellular data. Maybe you want to do a recording when you ask Siri, hey Siri, do a recording. I think it's very simple to do and it just helps out a ton. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope these videos helped you out a ton. Peace.